Easy Recipes family. Ngayon gagawa tayo ng sweet potato fries. Sweet potato. Eto. Pero diba? Usually ginagawa natin is potato, french fries. Ngayon, sweet potato. Yes. Pwede and so yummy. At meron tayong gagawin. We're going to put a twist para mas maging malutong siya. So, let's start it.
How to make kamote fries crispier. Kumuha ng dalawang pieces ng medium size kamote na gusto niyo. And then cut them into strips. They don't need to be perfect. Hindi naman tayo OC, kaya no need to be perfect. And then wash them. Our purpose here is para maging medyo tuyo siya for the coating. And next, we put a pinch of salt. Ano nangyari dyan? Just pinch lang talaga yan. Just to give it a little bit of salt. And then wash it again to make sure na hindi maalat ang ating kamote fries. Kasi nangyari na sa akin before. And all-purpose flour. I love Bonnos kasi mura lang. We'll coat it dry. Wag lagyan ng tubig yung flour, ha? There. Just like that. Ganyan lang yung gusto natin na mukha ng street kamote natin. And then, let's try to test our oil. If it's ready for frying. Ready na siya. And then, we'll just have to wait for it to turn golden brown. When it's golden brown, sure na luto na yan. And, tadang! Here's our kamote french fries. And what makes it so weird is that kung lagyan ng ketchup, mas lalo siyang sumasarap. So there it is. Please like and subscribe for more easy and yummy recipes. Thank you!